Hello guys, this is Swagat and you're watching Gadgets Busters, and today in this video I'm going to tell you a very nice trick in which you can make your phone just like a Windows 10 PC. Yes, you can make your Android phone just like Windows 10 PC. Whether this is possible in iPhone and iOS softwares, I am not sure about that, but in Android you can definitely make it. So for that, first of all we have to go to the Play Store, and in that you have to search for an application called Computer Launcher. And in that computer launcher you have to choose this computer launcher by the developer L&T Studio. You have to install it and just wait for the installation. It's very small in size, just about 5 MB. And in this method you don't actually have to install any Windows 10 software in your phone, and don't have to really make the phone actually Windows 10, and that is actually gonna be inconvenient for you. So with this simple launcher you can simply make your phone to look like Windows 10, and it is really very good. Let us see. So this application has been installed. Now you have to open this application, and you have to give a device a name. Like I have given Swagat, and done. And after that you have to make this as your default launcher. You can also uninstall this, but no problem, you can make it as a default. So in this you can see you have the desktop here, and just like the Windows 10, the icons are just like Windows 10, the taskbar is like Windows 10. So here you have the user folder, then you have the this PC, recycle bin, and some third-party apps that I have installed in my phone, that is WhatsApp and YouTube. So coming to the bottom we have the taskbar. In the taskbar we have the start menu button, we have the search, then messaging, phone, and a browser, that is a Chrome browser. And to the right bottom corner of the phone you have the time and the date, as you can see in your Windows 10 PC. So coming to the start menu, you can see the start menu is pretty much similar to the Windows 10, and the stylings are also similar. You can see these are the app list are arranged in an alphabetical manner, and to the right side you have quick access icons to the browser, Gmail, store, and camera, Facebook, calculator, maps. So these are some of the shortcuts. And in this you also get a search bar in which you can search any of your application. For example, I'm searching for music, so I got my music application. So coming back, you also get direct access to the settings from here. You can go to the settings of your phone, and again coming back to the taskbar you have some other options, like to change your phone for the network devices. You have to change your phone name, then directly have to the folder access. But before that, let me show you the folder access from the this PC option. When you open the this PC, is very much similar to your Windows 10. The icons, the placements, and the layout is very much similar to the Windows 10. And here you have the two drives, C drive, D drive, and other folders like documents, downloads, pictures, videos. There are nothing but the downloads directly to the download file folder of your phone. The documents is documents folder of your phone, similar the pictures and videos. But here the C drive is your internal memory and the D drive is your external memory. So for that, and in order to move forward and back in the folder, you can use these arrows over here as if you do in your Windows 10. And if you want to create a new folder, you directly get an option to create a new folder over here, and some copy, paste, and delete options are over here as if you are doing this in your Windows 10. And in order to minimize this, you can do as we all do in our PC by just tapping the folder icon in the taskbar like this, and you can also maximize it from there. And for the closing of the application, you can use the cross key at the top right corner of the phone. This is, and another thing is that if you want to create any shortcut of any application, for example I'm creating the shortcut of my camera application, you can just tap it here in the taskbar start menu, and you will get the options for uninstall, create shortcut, and properties. So after the tapping creating shortcut, the shortcut of the camera icon has been created. And if you want to change the desktop background, you can do that from your camera gallery or any wallpapers that are by default provided with this application. So the application has a lot of wallpapers and very good wallpapers, so you can choose any one of them and set them as a wallpaper, just like this, and click this, and your wallpaper has been changed. There isn't any scroll option over here, and the notification tray can be easily accessed as if in your normal phone. And in my case, as my notification tray is from the downwards, and the toggle menu icons are also here, so I can access them easily. The other things include you have to go to the dialer pad. So here you have the dialer pad icon, and here you have the messaging icon. This is the Google search icon, this is the Google Chrome icon, and this is the documents, my documents folder type, as if you have in your PC like users folder. So this is similar to that, and in this you will just get the documents, downloads, pictures, and videos folder. And again from this you can access to this PC. So I think overall this is a very nice application. We can avoid actually installing that heavy softwares in our phone. Yes, it is possible we can install Windows XP or Windows 10 or Windows 8 in our phone, but that will be not convenient. The icons will be extremely small to access, and it will be very difficult to use. But in this launcher it is very simple. You can install it anytime and you can uninstall it anytime. You can make it default or use your default launcher. You can just have a fun time with this application. So I think you all have enjoyed this application and also enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.